Hello, word. Welcome back to another episode where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is bye. Bye is an A1 level exclamation, meaning a farewell expression. It's one of the first words many English learners encounter, and it's a fundamental part of everyday communication. When you say bye, you're essentially saying goodbye, indicating that you're leaving or ending a conversation. It's simple, direct, and universally understood. Let's delve a bit deeper, shall we? Now, let's look at some synonyms for bye. One common synonym is goodbye. For example, instead of saying bye, see you later, you could say goodbye, see you later. Another synonym is farewell. While farewell is a bit more formal, it carries the same core meaning. For instance, we bid him farewell as he set off on his journey. You could also use so long. It's a slightly less formal and a bit old-fashioned way of saying bye. You might hear someone say, so long, partner. Catch you on the flip side. Another option is see you later. This implies that you expect to see the person again. As in, okay, see you later. Have a great day. And lastly, we have cheerio, which is more commonly used in British English. Right then, cheerio. I'm off to the shops. Now, let's explore some antonyms. Since bye is a farewell, antonyms would be words used to greet someone. A direct antonym is hello. For example, instead of ending a conversation with bye, you begin it with hello. Another antonym is greetings. Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the meeting. Then we have welcome. For example, welcome to our home. Please come in. Also consider hi. Hi, how are you doing today? And good morning, afternoon, evening. These are all used to initiate a conversation rather than end it. Good morning. I hope you have a wonderful day. Let's look at how bye is used in everyday life. Bye is incredibly versatile. You can use it at the end of phone calls, in emails, when leaving a meeting, or simply when parting ways with a friend on the street. It's suitable for almost any situation. Sometimes, people add extra words to bye to make it more specific, such as bye for now, bye, or bye everyone. You can even say things like bye, have a good one to wish someone well. It's a simple way to be polite and friendly. Let's check out some usage examples. Bye, I'm leaving for work now. She said bye and waved as she walked away.
Bye.
See you next week. Bye, Mum, I'll call you later. Just wanted to say bye before I go. Bye, it was lovely seeing you. Bye to you too, take care. She whispered a quiet bye before hanging up the phone. Bye. Thanks for coming. Bye, I enjoyed our chat. To recap, bye is an A1 level exclamation used to say farewell. Synonyms include goodbye, farewell, so long, see you later, and cheerio. Antonyms include hello, greetings, welcome, hi, and good morning, afternoon, evening. It is a fundamental word in English and appears frequently in everyday conversation. Thank you for tuning into Hello, Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word bye helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn more about the English language. Also, create your own sentence using bye and share it as a comment below.
Goodbye.